AkhbarUrdu.com.
Assalamu alaikum. Ramadankareem. Ramadan around the world 2023's longest and shortest fasting hours. The longest fasting hours: Nuuk, Greenland 18 hours, Reykjavik, Iceland 18 hours, Helsinki, Finland 17 hours, Glasgow, Scotland 17 hours, Ottawa, Canada 17 hours, London, United Kingdom 16 to 17 hours, Paris, France 16 to 17 hours, Zurich, Switzerland 15 hours, Rome, Italy 15 hours, Madrid, Spain 15 hours. The shortest fasting hours: Christchurch, New Zealand 12 hours, Puerto Montt, Chile 12 hours, Buenos Aires, Argentina 12 hours, Jakarta, Indonesia 13 hours, Nairobi, Kenya 13 hours, Karachi, Pakistan 13 to 14 hours, New Delhi, India 13 to 14 hours. Gulf and Middle East. The average fasting hours for countries in the Gulf and wider Middle East fall between 13 to 15 hours on average. These include Saudi Arabia, UAE, Kuwait, Bahrain, Oman, Qatar, Iraq, Yemen, Iran, Lebanon, Egypt, Morocco, Tunisia, Libya, and Palestine.